Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about like touch typing. Why you should learn touch typing and how you can learn touch typing. If you go to Google and search touch typing, then you will get simple idea about like touch typing, what I'm just saying. Now talk about like why should you learn this touch typing. If you see now, okay, so now then you'll see when you type something, then you first see your keyboard and type the word, and if you make mistake, then again you just see your screen and then again see your like this keyboard, like type something seeing your keyboard and again you see your display. Again if you make anything wrong, then you again see your keyboard. So this is just like it's taking so much time. But if you go to this touch typing, then you don't have to invest any kind of time, because you know when you type something, you don't need to see your keyboard, you just look at your screen. Like if you make mistake, then you can immediately fix that. Let me show you the way like how you can learn and how I personally still learning this touch typing. First, I'm just talking about like touch typing, Touchmaster 10. This is a software that will be help you to learn like this touch typing. So as you can see, this is available for Windows. I will give you this website link in my video description, so you don't worry about that. Just click on the link, then you will redirect on this page and just download this software. And let me show you like how you can use this software. First install this software and then you will see something like this. As you can see, they just give us like 7 days free trial. Then it will be it goes to like paid. Okay, so I think it's not now paid because I'm not completing like this the 7 days. So enter your name and let's go to enter. And I already closed some what is called like course 1 2 3 4. Like if you complete this 1 2 3 4, then your like typing speed and typing like this touch typing, everything will be increased if you complete this course. Okay, just first complete this 1, then 2, then 3, just follow like one by one. Okay, now I'm number 4, but now I don't know why I'm not like this software, and now I just move another website. Its name is like this one. This name is Typing Club. This is the another website that I personally like. So let me show you why I personally like this website. And I already fill up, like if you see lots of thing I already fill up here. So when you first come on this website, then you will see something like this, and you have to click on this get start button to get start. And I personally like this website because first they just show a video. So when I watch this video, then my attention just goes to there, and then I successfully do typing something like so let's click on this video, then you'll see videos, and then they will teach you like touch typing. So as you can see, there's just a video and they're just showing you how you can do touch typing. So this is an interesting website, that's why I personally like this website. So when you open this website, must be create an account in there, then you will see your improvement here. As you can see, my 5% progress, 99 stars with. So if you see here, then you'll see like 49, almost like 685 lesson here. Let me show you one thing, like how it's looking, and then let's click on here, and then you see here showing some ads. Because of like this is the free, that's why it's showing ads. So let's click on open and let's again reload this page. Okay, so now they just tell me press F. Okay, press F, then they just give me some text here. Let's type H, then this is I, L, this is I. Okay, so as you can see, if I make any mistake, then it will be showing like in a red. ILL space. Okay, so every time you have to focus on that, like F and J. Okay, so if you see your keyboard, then you'll see, let me show you something, 2 dots. If you see your keyboard, every keyboard have like 2 dots, so you have to focus on that, like the dots, it's like F and J. You have to find out like F and J if you okay. And when you learn touch typing, don't focus or don't see your keyboard. you just see your like screen. So I hope guys now you get a simple idea like how you can learn touch typing. So if you think this video helpful for you, so please click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thanks for watching.